ChatGPT is also an incredible tool for creating all types of social media content, whether that be for Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn. And really quickly, I'm going to show you how I would use ChatGPT to create a social media post. Now, I'm on LinkedIn. I'm a big LinkedIn dork, to be honest. And I wanted to make a social media post announcing to my network that I'm releasing this course. Work with a lot of people that need to be learning out ChatGPT, and I would love to be the one to teach my friends. So I'm going to say, write me a 250 word LinkedIn post in a very personable and friendly / familiar style, promoting the launch of my new ChatGPT Masterclass, which you're taking right now. Hey everyone, I'm excited to announce the launch of my new ChatGPT Masterclass. If you're not familiar with ChatGPT, it's a cutting-edge AI language model developed by OpenAI that allows you to chat with a computer in a way that feels almost like talking to a real person. But don't let the AI part scare you. ChatGPT is actually super easy to use, and in my Masterclass, I'll walk you through everything you need to do to get started. We'll talk about how to train your models, how to use them for tasks like customer service, and how to have a little fun. Designed for people of all skill levels. Now, this is really good, except the people in my LinkedIn network mostly care about how this thing is going to make them money. So I'm going to say, this is great. Rewrite it and make it a little funnier because I'm kind of goofy in real life. And include that the main features of ChatGPT are going to be really incredible e-commerce content creation, great social media, and automation of things like email and copywriting. Hey everyone, are you ready to join the ChatGPT revolution? My new ChatGPT Masterclass is here, and let me tell you, this AI language model is going to blow your mind. With ChatGPT, you can create incredible e-commerce content, knock your socks off social media posts, and even automate tedious tasks like email and copywriting. And the best part, ChatGPT is so easy to use, even a caveman could do it. I mean, not that I'm saying you're a caveman. You're definitely not a caveman, but you get the idea, right? In my masterclass, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to make a ChatGPT Pro. And trust me, the things you'll be able to do with this AI will make you feel like the envy of all your friends. How'd you write that amazing email? They'll ask. Oh, I just let ChatGPT handle it for me. You'll nonchalantly reply as you sip your coffee and watch the conversions roll in. So don't miss out on this opportunity to join the ChatGPT elite. Enroll in my masterclass today and let's chat our way to success. This is actually kind of charming. I am going to take this, copy this, put this here, and I'm not going to post it, but I am going to save it as a draft because whenever this course is done, I'm going to post that post. That's actually kind of neat, kind of charming. Now, let's say you're trying to use it to create social media posts for a client of yours. You could say, I'm promoting a show on Friday night for famous rapper 21 Savage. You're promoting the 21 Savage show. That's pretty awesome. Okay. Include details such as the venue is giving away 2 tickets to a random person who comments 21 in the comment section who likes this post, such as, I'm just going to say we're, because you don't need to say the venue. We're giving away 2 tickets, comments 21 in the comment section. The show is Friday at Empire, which is a local venue here in Austin. Actually, it's gonna be at Continental Club, even though they don't really do rap shows, but I love that place. So show's Friday at Continental Club, starts at 7, and tickets are for sale through the Continental Club website. Okay, perfect. Write me a 250 word Facebook post promoting a rap show. Okay, hey everyone, we've got a super exciting show coming up on Friday night at Continental Club. 21 Savage will be performing live. If you're a fan of 21 Savage's smooth flow and catchy beats, you won't want to miss this show. And to sweeten the deal, we're giving away 2 tickets to a random person who likes this post and comments 21 in the comment section. So don't miss your chance to win. Get those fingers moving and leave a comment below. For those of you who haven't already grabbed tickets, they're on sale now through the Continental Club website. Show starts at 7, so don't be late. We can't wait to see you all on Friday night. It's going to be a great show. Continental Club, okay? This would be great if you're a social media manager, you crank out lots of content, you include an image from the tour, and this is essentially a full post. Make this shorter. I think it's a little, make this shorter and make the verbiage more appealing to 18 to 25-year-olds. All rap fans, we got a killer show coming up on Friday night at Condo Club featuring 21 Savage. Want to win tickets? Just like this post and comment 21 in the comment section. We'll be choosing a random winner soon, so don't wait. Plus, tickets are on sale now through the Continental Club website. Don't miss this chance to see 21 Savage live. See you there at 7 p.m. Write a short, snappy Instagram caption for this same show promoting the same giveaway. Come see 21 Savage live at Continental Club on Friday night. If you're feeling lucky, comment 21 below for a chance to win tickets. Hashtag 21 Savage, hashtag Continental Club, hashtag Rap Concert. Okay? Take out the hashtags. All right, it's fine. This is fine. It's short. It's snappy. It's something you'd see on Instagram. You throw up like a I don't know what like a skull emoji. I don't know what emoji you'd use for a 21 Savage show. But this is definitely something that you could post. You could deliver to someone as content. Later in this course, I'm going to show you a program that uses ChatGPT 3 technology that creates really incredible Instagram captions. And so I don't love the Instagram captions they've given us here. I did really like this LinkedIn post that it wrote for us. And I did not mind the 250 word Facebook post. But it really, we could probably work on the language of this a little bit. I'm going to be showing you later on how to write with really incredible brand voice. And it will produce some better content than we got from this Facebook post. And later, I will be showing you how to make some really awesome Instagram captions with another company that uses ChatGPT 3 technology. All right, I'll see you in the next video.